Hey guys.
Hello. What's up, dudes?
Hey.
And dudettes?
We're turning ourselves into the other.
Yes.
Kind of crazy.
I'm going for full routines.
Kind of crazy.
I know.
I need to find what I need though, so give me a second, people. What is this?
That's
That's
not
a
face.
face mist.
Face mist.
Guys, you'll have to give me a second. I need to get this stuff out. Because...
Wait, I can't talk about that. I forgot that was... It don't work though.
Guys, if you saw what I just pulled out. Crazy.
That cannot stay in the edit, but guys, if you question it, I'll tell you.
Oh,
That's my sentence, bro.
Okay. I respect that, bro.
I was like, it won't fit in my bag if I don't put it in something smaller.
Okay, some looks like it's gonna beat me up if I take it out.
Probably will, half the leads are falling off.
I was thinking, do you have a primer?
No. I thought I had my elf one in there, but I think I took it out.
I should have
Search. That's eyelashes.
Oh,
Oh. I was gonna say the Smashbox one, bro, that I gave to you because it don't work on me.
No, I don't know what this primer's like, but I should work. I'm already wounded. Wounded, I tell you.
It's my pencil eyeliner, it gets everywhere.
Don't judge me. It makes sense.
No, 'cause I forgot you did this, and I remember trying it once and it really works, and I just forgot to keep doing it.
Yeah, I hope so concealer, like concealer around it. That's so unfortunate. I can't say my thoughts. See, I feel just... I feel like doing the waste of forest.
I don't know what else to do. I've not sat and had my makeup done in a while.
I ain't done any of this makeup in a while. Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy. Here's my number. Don't call me, maybe. Don't call me.
Just don't call me.
Don't call.
Don't call, don't text.
Or anything else.
Screw.
We chat so much shit. I'm so sorry, guys.
We shall.
Does that mean I have to go to the pool?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We could,
No.
or you can be Jessica.
Jessica. I don't like Jessica.
I can't reach there unless I push the chair all the way.
Booty reveal.
Booty reveal.
Oh.
How much booty got revealed? I'm scared.
Quite fair amount.
Oh.
Oh. And then...
I generally do. I'm quite in a forest bra going.
I've never realised that till now. I'm pretty forest.
But yeah, if anything in general just doesn't want to blend kind of in this section, it's because
That's me, but like here right now.
Yeah.
And the thing is, I never used to have that, but recently, like just here, and the concealer just sits.
Yeah, I think.
If anyone knows how to stop that, help us out.
Literally, 'cause I'm like, I put so much moisturiser there and it just don't do anything.
Yep.
I started putting eye cream on. I was like, don't do none. Guys, recommend us an eye cream.
Not for real.
I looked at the camera so fast.
Anyways, as I was saying for it's a ruby cut off, I'm just putting some brown eyeshadow on. You're not getting a tutorial from me, guys. That's too much hard work. This is making me do too much.
Real.
Look at me. Beautiful.
So my eyes flew open.
Crazy.
I'm quite an forest person actually.
Me, you and us doing eyebrows. Eyebrows are kind of forest.
Next week you were doing them and looking at me like.
Should like go into a shape, like please.
I like shapes.
Okay. Look, because that one's in a shape. This one's just no. Just in here, making life so often. My honeybee.
How would you really get copyrighted for this?
I don't think we sound that much like Sabrina or something.
Are you sure? I think we sound exactly like Sabrina, actually.
Wow. Wow. You're delulu.
Yes, I am. Thank you for noticing.
Anytime, my friend. La 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 la. Left of afternoon, late for meeting. Don't get this far, to the better, don't do it. Walk to the truth, get your way. Oh, I'm a coffee brew to fight.
That was atrocious. Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna tell them.
I'm gonna tell them.
I'm gonna tell you.
I am going to tell you.
Oh hell.
That was embarrassing. Well.
How long are you giving us, guys? I'm scared.
I was gonna say, I don't know what's going on, I'm scared.
It was very strange.
It was a bit too intimate.
I was thinking.
Getting intimate with Ray and AJ, guys.
They last time we dropped the OnlyFans because no jobs want us, or if they do, they're weird.
Oh, no, dead ass.
Hello, guys.
Hello. We're back.
We're back. I did
I'm
uploads. It's done. You guys did kind of miss a lot of that process because camera died on us because I can't. I had to take me so long. But Adelaide Space is done.
Yes.
We'll obviously take a thumbnail. We'll film a TikTok for you guys.
Yeah.
Adelaide is now doing my makeup.
Yes. And I mean business. I don't know if I mean business, but you know.
I'm scared.
I just pulled that out just to close it because I was like, wait, my stuff's here. Okay. So, my process is very simple, guys. I say that it ain't that simple, but you know what? I'm gonna start with some brow gel.
This is when we realise how much taller you are.
I was gonna say.
I'm looking at this and I'm like, she gone.
I'm gone.
She gone.
Also, if I sit here, I'm like,
yeah. Well, you're headless for now, I guess.
I'm headless for now. Alright, you might have to tilt your head up towards me. I was thinking, I was like, because when I was looking for your foundation, I was like, I can't find but one.
Yeah, that and the NARS are my favourite.
Yes.
I also really like this mixed with the NARS, but it's like kind of dead right now. So I need to buy a new one.
Do you have a beauty blender? Oh, it's over here, isn't it?
I have one here.
Cool. Great. Right.
I've also got this one.
Cool. Okay, so just gonna just straight in.
Staring us.
Hey guys.
This feels intense. That's up and Peter's just shadows it away. Now the nose jiggle.
Okay. Trying to think, I don't like to layer out loads, so concealer. Oh wait, I must. Oh yeah. I mean, if it feels like I'm punching you in the face. Tunes.
Wow.
Guys, if you like the bops, I don't know who's playing them.
No, me neither. You should have heard the classical earlier, guys.
Oh.
It was blasting as well.
Like I was eating everyone up. Okay.
No, because sometimes those are so hard to blend. Me and my one have a fight sometimes.
I get that.
Especially because mine's darker as well.
Yeah.
Mine's like a dark pink. And it looks lovely if you get it right. If not,
Yeah. You wouldn't be me without it.
True.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
You got red in.
I had a very pink nose going on there.
I know. I mean, I do have a whole blush palette if you want to use it.
Yeah. I may take you up on that.
Yeah, I've got a whole palette.
This is actually going to take me out.
This is making us seem like we're having the most romantic time ever.
It really is, isn't it?
With the piano version, bro. I really hope they can hear that so they don't think we're crazy.
Yeah. I'm going to put some mint spray on you. Okay.
It was a lot wetter than I thought.
Yeah, it's very wet.
Okay, nice.
Real.
Can I go a video about singing moist? Probably not.
No. We have product. Slay. Drag it out. That was my tip, guys. Just drag it out.
That one guy be like.
Uh-huh. So if you just close your eyes and just kind of rub a little bit,
Which part of my eye?
like kind of just above
Like
your
here?
just above your lash line, just like really
There?
gently. Yeah. Yeah,
Like
that should
that?
be good. Yeah.
Water.
Yeah, your one doesn't transfer as badly as mine, so yours is okay. You can be a little bit forward it. That's not crazy. I promise you, I'm not that far from being done.
I'm gonna
man.
tell you.
I'm gonna tell you. Right. Do you have liquid liner?
You sounded so stressed.
Yeah.
She literally put her head on, she's like, I was like, no, it's okay. I know everyone knows me for my eyeliner, but I'm not judging, it's okay.
Yeah.
Doing eyeliner on other people is hard.
It is scary.
Fair enough.
Which, by the way, guys, if you own a Body Shop cleansing butter,
Be careful.
don't push the lid in. Be careful.
It's happened to 3 of us now. It
Yeah.
happened to Rosie as well.
Oh no. Yeah.
It happened to Rosie shortly after it happened to me. And then it's happened to you.
Yeah. It gets stuck, guys. Her dad had to open it with pliers. My dad stabbed it with a knife.
Rosie's brother had to do some madness. I
Oh.
don't remember what, but... Oh.
Yeah. So.
That also looks so pretty.
I was gonna say.
Because when I was doing that, your hands were here, so I couldn't even see anything.
I have to do
And then you went,
That's the thing, it's me. Everyone expects something all fruity from me.
oh man.
Just for 2 seconds though.
Oh, watch it hits 3 seconds down and I've done the wrong thing. I'm joking.
Man.
It's a hard life.
Okay. Right, so I'm gonna stop obsessing with the eyeliner now. It's fine. It's so fine. Just put bronzer fucking everywhere. Guys, I don't know what this does, but I like it, so I do it. Okay. And then you're done.
Slay, slay. Let me brush my hair out.
Actually crazy looking at you.
Honestly, yeah, I agree.
Like, I almost never get the chance to just feel like, wow, you're me. I feel
Oh.
just
Me when I have to go down here to be seen. This is nefarious. I'm actually just have to pick this up.
Yeah.
This is the finished looks, guys.
This is crazy.
This looks really weird. You're starting to look really weird now. This light is making it intense as well.
It's making it deep. Hang on, try me to.
We're having to lift the tripod up.
Yeah, the whole tripod is in the air right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is crazy.
I know, right? One of these has to be a good thumbnail.
Yeah, hang on.
That was weird. No, this feels really strange.
It's alright, if you wore it for more than like a few hours, trust me, you'd feel greasy.
But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Yes, thank you for watching.
Enjoy how long this takes her to edit.
Yeah.
I'll edit the next one, which is
It's
super
almost
drunk brilliant, so it won't even take me long.
It's almost an hour long just with the first half.
Yeah.
So excited.
Yay!
Woo!
Like, comment, subscribe, all of that.
All of that.
See ya.
Bye.